Hello, my name is Bree. I'm here with Crandall Office Furniture. Today I'm going to show you how to remove and install arm pads on your office chair. So to demonstrate this, we're going to be removing and installing the arm pads on this Leap V2 chair. This requires a T20 bit. Every chair may have a different size or a different bit. Okay, so to get this started, each arm pad has 4 screws. I'm going to start by removing the 2 in the front. Now to reach the back screws, you may have to adjust this so you can see them. Okay, so that's the removal process. To reinstall, take your arm pad, set it on top, take your 4 screws, and install those. And be sure not to over tighten them. Then for the other side, it's the same process as this side. All right, now that we're finished with our install, we do have a variety of these arm pads for sale on our website at crandalloffice.com. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Have a good day. Hi. My name is Bree with Crandall Office Furniture. Hold on. Can we just keep going?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi. My name is Bree with Crandall Office Furniture. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install, remove and install. Remove and install. Okay. Hi. My name is Bree. I'm here today. I can't.